Hi, welcome to our channel. Nice, wet, rainy day. Rained all night. We're on the edge of a tropical depression. Probably going to rain all day. Dogs are under their car. That one's in heat. Leave him alone. He doesn't let anybody get near her. I should show you what I do. Sometimes I get in between him and the dog in heat. Yeah. He has to get on the other side of me. Murphy planted 2 coconuts yesterday. We planted corn in between the pineapples. We got squash growing. This is nice squash. There's 2 nice squash there. I planted corn in here. And there's a couple rows of corn down there. Murphy spaces things too far apart, but I had some oh, this one I missed. I had some eggplants growing here. I had to take the corn out. Looks like someone might be coming. Otherwise, I'll get another pack of eggplant seeds. I should left the light on last night. All the tropical plants look nice. It's real nice that it's raining the day after we planted a bunch of stuff. We transplanted corn and coconut trees and stuff. It's nice not to have the sun on them for a day. So I planted 1. Look at all these nice flowers here taking up the hillside. Pretty cool. 1, 2. Now, I don't know how they're going to grow. Murphy says you can't pull them up when they're rooted. I pulled these 2 up, or 3 of them up, and replanted them. There's a little sprout here. I planted 4, I guess. That's nice. My shoes are wet on my sole. Like my feet are sliding around in my Tiva flip-flops. These are fancy ones here. They got, I can't see it, but here's another coconut tree here. Little angle. After I get something to eat, I'll probably come out back with the bar again and dig a few more holes. Plant this clear space since we cut down the trees. Plant a couple more coconuts. Oh, she is outside here. Say hi to the camera with your face. Your your face full of food. Come on. Just, turn around. Well, they should be clean. I see it. I see it. I see it did the dishes yesterday, huh? Is my food cooking? Thanks for watching. Take care.